Imagine you're sitting in a cozy cafe, sipping on your favorite drink. Suddenly, your phone buzzes. A notification from Favepay reminds you that your balance is low. Low balance on Favepay? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're gonna dive into the world of Favepay top-ups. So, grab your phone, let's get started. Favepay, as you might know, is a digital payment platform that makes your life easier. From buying groceries to paying bills, it's your one-stop shop. But how do you keep that balance topped up? Let's break it down. Method 1. Bank transfer. The most straightforward way is a bank transfer. Here's how it works. Open your Favepay app, go to your profile and tap on Add Funds. Select Bank Transfer, choose your preferred bank. Enter your account details, input your account number and other required information. Confirm and transfer, double-check everything and proceed with the transfer. Usually, the funds will reflect in your Favepay wallet instantly. Method 2. Debit/credit card. If you prefer using a card, Favepay has you covered. Go to Add Funds, in your Favepay app, navigate to your profile and tap on Add Funds. Choose Card, select the card option. Enter your card details, input your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Confirm and pay, verify the details, and complete the payment. It's a quick and easy process that takes just a few minutes. Method 3. Favepay Agent. Not comfortable with online transactions? Don't worry, there's always the option of visiting a Favepay agent. Locate an agent, use the Favepay app or website to find an agent near you. Visit the agent, head over to the agent's location. Provide your Favepay details, give the agent your Favepay username or phone number. Make the payment, pay the agent in cash or using another payment method. The agent will then credit your Favepay account. Additional tips. Check transaction history. Always verify your transaction history to ensure accurate top-ups. Security measures. Protect your Favepay account by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Customer support. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Favepay's customer support for assistance. And there you have it, folks. Topping up your Favepay wallet is a breeze. Whether you prefer online methods or visiting an agent, there's a way that suits you. So, go ahead, top up your Favepay and enjoy the convenience it offers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.